God, he's so hungry. He took it and ran away. I'm so sorry, I don't have much food to give you. He took you everything, you see. Summer ran away. Summer is back here. Hi, Summer. Oh my God, Summer took everything. He doesn't want to leave them any food. Hi. I feel sorry for the gray. He couldn't get any food. He was fighting. He has some blood on his body. Come on, Summer. Go eat. Go eat. Summer, go eat. Hi, hi. Some chicken. I gave him some chicken with Summer as well. Right there. But that poor one, he still feels scared of human people. I don't really have much food to give them as I lost my job because of corona, and the owner of the house doesn't like the cats to be here. So when he goes out, I try my best to bring them inside and give them some food before he comes back. So I'm trying my best, whatever I have, I give them. They feel so hungry, and it's heartbreaking because some people here, they just hate the cat, and they don't like them to be around or inside their house. It's so sad. Come here. Yeah, hi. Let's see Summer. Summer is still eating. Summer is still eating. So hungry. I hope if you can donate to help me, buy them some food to eat, and I really dream to have, inshallah, if I could have my own house, I would have them all inside and take care of them. Summer, 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 where are you? Summer doesn't like this gray cat. They are always fighting. I don't know why. Summer, come on. Still here some. He didn't eat it all. He took it and ran away. Summer, Summer, he's like stronger, he doesn't like me to give them food. He just wants to eat everything, alone by himself. Oh, he ran away. Where is your food? Where did you put your food? Go back, go back, go eat. Come here. Oh my God, he feels like, don't come near her, she's mine. He's so jealous, Summer is so jealous. Where did you drop your food? Where is your chicken? Huh? Where is your chicken? Come on. Try to use your nose. Go find your chicken. Stop it. Stop it, Summer. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, little boy. Oh, another friend is coming. Okay, the family is here. If the owner see me, he would scream at me. I guess he ate it. I guess so. Look at the family. 3, 4, the 4 left. Fourth one left. Summer. Summer. Come here. Come here. You know, whenever he eats and, feels a bit full, he tries to clean himself and go to sleep. So now he will go to sleep. Summer, come here. Come here. Come here. Look at the poor one, he was fighting with him, I guess. You see some blood on his body? They always fight here. Summer. Now he's going to, I'm 100% he's going to sleep. Summer. Summer. Come here. Come here. Look, now he is tired, like, I'm full now, I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep deeply. Look at his eyes. The family cat. Summer, come here, Summer. I don't know why the Summer doesn't like the gray cat. Why you don't like your friend? You're so jealous. Don't fight. Don't. Summer. Kitty. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Come on. Don't fight with your friend. Don't.